Hi guys, today's video will be a quick overview of Otter's AI form block. This block lets you generate a form, both the layout and content from a single prompt, thanks to its integration with OpenAI. Now, speaking of OpenAI, the first thing you'll need to do is generate an API key to use with Otter. In my case, I already have an API key installed, but you can watch the video in the description to learn how to generate and install your OpenAI API key. For this demonstration, we'll be using the sample page. And right now, I'm just going to go ahead and add the AI block. Now let's use the AI form generator. Now we need to enter a prompt. I'll just say event feedback form and I'll press enter. Just wait a few seconds to about a minute and your form should be generated. So you'll be able to see the full structure of your form in the AI block, but you won't be able to edit it yet. You can just go through its content to make sure it's what you want. But if you decide to click on one of the fields, you won't see any options. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the block, we're going to see three different buttons. So there's replace, insert below, and regenerate. So basically, if we click on regenerate, another variation of the form will be produced. And I'm going to show you what insert below does. It just inserts the entire form below the AI block in an editable state. So this one is actually a form. So you can go ahead and make your edits. For example, I'll be adding to the label, full name, and I'll also edit the placeholder. And you can always go ahead and make changes to your form options over on the right-hand side as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this form and we'll go back to the AI block for a second. Now we'll click on the replace button and we'll see that this AI block gets replaced with the generated form. And of course, since it's an actual form, it can be edited. And once you're happy with your form's configuration, you can always go ahead and publish it. Now let's view our page to see what this form looks like. Alright, so here it is. Keep in mind that this is just a quick example and nothing super polished. So there are a number of different use cases for an AI form block. For example, here I'm just creating a contact form inside of a pop-up using a 3-word prompt. Alright, so I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.